Why Birds Sing at Dawn. Written by Sanele Dlamini, Emmanuel Grebo, Joseph Makongo Kyugu. A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. Yes, do we see how many birds are there talking to each other? The purple one says, "Tweet." The red one says, "Tweet." The green one, overjoyed, says, "Tweet, tweet." The blue one too is overjoyed. "Tweet, tweet." And what do we see? The tree is enjoying their conversation. We see him laughing. Blah. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Mamango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. Even the trees are enjoying her singing. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mamango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go? "I will go. I am not afraid," Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? Oh, the tree, the sun, everyone is so sad. "What if we sing Mama's song?" Yellow asked. "Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back." "But I don't know how to sing," cried Pink. "Have you tried singing?" Mamango asked. "I have tried singing," said Yellow. "I can teach." Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song. "It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine, and rain started falling. Oh, it's a beautiful morning." Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to Happy Land. And from then on, birds sing at dawn. So next time when you hear a bird singing, maybe they are helping another bird find their way back home.